Mabay, nakakuha si Steve.
Sir Andrew, pinaka-bising umpire. Ano to, Master?
Cars fishing.
Ganda. Boys. Good evening mga master. So nandito na tayo sa second Pandanyag fishing tournament dito sa La Libertad. Natawag tayo. Ito, chillin muna kami. Ito yung dinner namin. Ayan. Ito yung crew. Kasama natin si Omang Casting. Ito yung huli ni Omang kanina. Nag-casting sila guys. Dami oh. At ito naman yung event place. Ayan, dami ng anglers. Ito yung aming display for sale to guys. Orientation na guys. Na ng fishing tournament pero madilim pa kaya mamaya na lang ako mag-video, wala yata makikita. Ayan, sobrang dilim guys, mamaya na lang. Master dagan din eh para dito kaabot naman ang malin niya. Wala, tagkuhan naman lagi kata lang sana na ito. Guys, ako na din. Master. Wala tayong kuha dito guys, kaya lipat tayo ng spot. Guys, nakakuha checkered. So mga master, nandito kami ngayon sa south side ng La Libertad. Lampas na to sa ilog ng Lalimar. Ito na yung extended spot. Si Omang nakadali ng checkered. Ako wala pa, kahit isang strike. Okay lang sana kung ma-zero basta may strike, pero wala talaga. Umalas ko talaga pagdating sa tournament. Nakatatlong tournament na ako guys, ito yung pangatlo. Pero kahit isang strike, wala talaga. May nakita na naman si Umang. Sa lahat ng tournament na nasalian ko guys, kahit isang strike, wala talaga guys. Baka dito na ako mag-champion. Makahuli ako ng 1 kilong trevally. Daog. Fish on. Fish on guys. Championship fish. Ew. Umpire. Umpire. Biggest catch to guys. Double award. Biggest catch and rarest catch guys. Rarest. Hirap naman tanggalin. Umpire. Ay, nakawala. Sayang. Di po ni madonate, may tagmabawa na eh. Wala, nagkalalim, pumapailalim. Ayaw sir, nagpapailalim na ang tubig. Wala, yawa. Sangit guys, sayang. Wow. Sangitan, ani, uy. Ay! Goodbye, tambalo lure. Tambalo lure, guga. Master, nanay strike, master.
Dito, totoo, balo. Bali ako rin.
Nabali? Ano man, sa balo or na...
Sunod sa guide ring ang line ba?
Oo. Di na magamit.
Nagyo. Wala pag reserva dala.
Kaya nga, no?
Tayo pa kayo.
Basig na ito mga umpire, mahulman ba? Mga angler, man po to. Sulayin lang. Lunch break mga master. Chillin muna kami dito kasi zero pa ako ngayon. Si Omang may dala na. Natimbang na dun sa timbangan, guys. Yan, no? Chillin time mga master. Master JM, oh. Daming vloggers dito, guys. Grabe ko iso. Mamaw eh.
Kapila kilo.
Sa kilog to nga.
Gabi ay.
Kapit.
Boys. Tower, no? Champion maniron. Champion maniron. Round 2. Iwasan ang pagka-zero, guys. So guys, nasa labas kami ng sanctuary na. Kaya this is a legal catch. May ebidensya, guys. Wala pa kasing umpire. Kaya hindi pa officially lunch. Hindi pa na-deploy yung mga umpire. Kaya kami lang dito mga angler. Nakuha, oy! Mama bay, nakakuha si Steve. Si Omang. Grabe yung palina ni Omang, oh. Di lang ni makita sa camera kay bali layo pero basta guys, Omang. Basta mamaw. Tapos ito, uwi na kami.
Balaklava, fish tray.
May paraffle pa ng balaklava from Fish.
Ronel, Cabano, Cabanag.
Sibuyan tackle sa Minos. So para sa casting category, Sibuyan tackle, JT tackles for the Minos, fish drill for the phase 2. Fish drill, thank you very much. Nakahatag juta og additional nga pahalipay sa atong participants for this year's tournament. Negros Tackle Shop, of course, Aqua Maria, courtesy of Kevin G. Thank you. Real Scream, iCast, led by Mac J3rd. And then request namin per club picture na diri with the logo sa atuang backdraft. Okay, dumagay tayo anglers.
Ito nga pala yung top 3 sa tournament, guys. Winner, second, third, Kois, JM, Maki TV, at Omang Casting. Puro vlogger, guys. Yan yung mga top 3. Tayo 0 mo to.
Shoutout sa ako. Gikuan ko.
First catch, guys. Back to back.
Our first catch was
Wala na rin.
Our first catch was a barracuda.
Awa nila rin. Back to back, guys. Last year.
And it weighs 140 grams. It was landed 5:10 a.m. Just 10 minutes after the dispatch.
Napakabilis ng angler na to.
And this was landed by Master Genesis.
So, ara back to back. Last year siya din yung nanalo ng first catch, guys. Balo. Ngayon, Barracuda. Buenas, guys.
Master Genesis.
Kadua, oh. Kadua.
Congratulations, Master. annual fishing tournament.
Third place,
It
guys.
was a crescent grunter and an emperor fish. So there are a couple of species landed. A crescent grunter and emperor. Ninutan na lang sa English, no? Crescent grunter.
Bugaong, eh.
Bugaong, eh. A crescent grunter and an emperor fish. This was landed by Steve Kaluskusin.
Omang casting!
Anglers.
Omang!
Third placer is Steve Kaluskusin from Dumaguete Anglers.
Kiss.
Congratulations, Master Steve! Our
Ito na yung
placer,
second. Huwag ka nang mag-video, master. Ikaw na yan.
Bucky Mackerel.
Awa na lain. Awa na lain mackerel.
It weighed 430 grams. This was landed by Master J.M. Maki.
Sige, master.
J.M. Maki.
JM Maki.
Ang timing
Subscribe.
mo, Maki. Ang iyang na land is Mackerel. Mackerel. Maki like and share, Maki Fishing daw. So support us sa tuwang anglers.
Sunod, guys. Ito na yung grand champion, guys. Sunod na to.
Congratulations, Master JM. Hi, Master. Yes. Like and subscribe to Maki Fishing. Maki Fishing. Ang supportahan ng angler. And now, Maki Ngay,
Champion.
our second Pandanyag Annual Fishing Tournament champion, landed 3 species today. A couple of crescent grunter weighing the same grams, no, 120 grams. And the third one is a yellow spotted trevally, which weighs 1.715 kilograms. Our champion, by the way, for this year's event will receive a cash prize, a trophy,
Na all.
freebies coming from Fish Thrill Apparels, Sibuyan Tackle and JT Tackle, and of course, the Promise jersey sponsored by Angler Armor. Angler Armor. Shoutouts, Angler Armor. Thank you very much. The species were landed by Master J.R. Labe.
Yeah.
Landed Ibayo Anglers. Marami.
Pagkamay-gamay ra, pero Buskan. Champion.
Congratulations, J.R. Labe.
Daghan,
Landed
oh.
Ibayo Anglers of Bayawan.
Tapan tayo, guys.
Bayaw Anglers of Bayawan. Congratulations.
Picture na mo, pre.
Grabe, Steve, oh.
Pre. Picture na mo talo. Nalagay kwanso. Nalay mo kan.
Dala na. Okay na yung winning reel.
Umang! Tamlingin sa kasabi.
Panfish man di ay. Andrew, pinaka-bising umpire. Kinahusgang umpire, oh. Grabe, salamat La Libertad Anglers. Ha? Shout out Homer. Mga idols. Mga mamaw ng La Libertad.
Okay.
Asa to, master? Kana.
Mr. Rex Martinez.
So,
Our
that wraps it up, guys. Hanggang dito na lang ng video ito. Next time ulit.